Hi everyone, my name is Priyanka and you're watching The Fluky Chef. I hope you're having an amazing day wherever you are. So last weekend I posted a recipe of chicken fajita and a lot of you have reached out asking for the salsa recipe. So today we are doing just that. I'll be showing you how to make Pico De Gallo salsa. Now I do have a surprise ingredient that makes it super refreshing and it's my version of Pico De Gallo. So let's head on over to the kitchen. We are going to need some tomatoes, of course. I'm using Roma tomatoes because they are firm, they hold up quite nicely. And some green chilies, or you can use serrano peppers, fresh lime or lemon, cilantro or coriander, some onion. I'm using a sweet onion here because they tend to be a little less overpowering. And then fresh mint, and I also have here an ice ball water. Now what I will do, this is a little hack that I learned several years ago. If you chop the onions and you put them in ice water cold ball with some salt in it, it takes the that bitterness away, so the onion is not that overpowering. Okay, so let's get to action. I'll start by chopping my onion first so I can set it aside in my water ball. So chop, chop, chop. Perfect. Almost there. I'll bring that ball and put all my onions in there, put some salt. As I said, it does help in taking the bitterness away. Well, some of the bitterness away at least. Set that aside, start chopping my tomatoes. Just quarter size pieces, bite size pieces. You can go chunky or less chunky, whatever your preference is. Bring a ball, transfer all my tomatoes there, start chopping the chilies. Now it depends what your preference is, how spicy you like it. We like it quite spicy, so I'm just gonna leave all the seeds in there. But if you can't handle that heat, then you'll obviously have to take the seeds off, and then chop the cilantro. I mean, people either have a love or hate relationship with cilantro, but I think what is a Tex-Mex salsa without some cilantro in it? And then time for some fresh mint leaves. We only need a handful here, not a lot, because the goal here is to provide pico de gallo an extra kick of flavor, extra freshness, and make it very refreshing. So a little bit, I think, goes a long way. If we add too much mint, it's gonna make it way too minty. And if you don't like mint, you don't have to add it. And then we're gonna add our onions, and time to squeeze in the lemon juice. And finally, season it with some salt. Remember, tomatoes drink up too much salt, so you're going to want to make sure you season it quite well. And almost there. We'll give it a nice toss. And that's it. Our pico de gallo is ready.